As Guyana joins the rest of the world in observance of International Nurses Day 2023, the Guyana Public Service Union assured nurses of its continued support. International Nurses Day is celebrated under the theme Our Nurses, Our Future, and the GPSU feels that the theme is clearly indicative of the basic fact that an investment in nurses is an investment in our future. According to a statement from the union, every citizen countrywide at some point of his or her lives would have experienced the wonderful care of persons within the nursing profession and without a doubt have reminisced on the effects of this service on their lives. There is no one who could justifiably deny the positive effects that nurses would have had on his or her life, the union said. While the government has increased the salary of healthcare workers recently, the GPSU said bettering the lot of nurses and other medical professionals also requires other inputs, such as improved remuneration. The salaries of nurses should be improved by at least 75%, and the bunching of these professionals enabled to provide for a clear distinction of seniority together with the reinstitution of annual merit increments. This would enable these professionals to manage themselves and their households financially while reclaiming their lost dignity within society that was surreptitiously removed over the years, as well as payment of risk allowance in compensation for performing in certain positions. The union is also calling for duty-free concessions. In addition, nurses from the level of staff nurse, midwife, and above should be granted duty-free concessions for motor vehicles. Hours of work considerations. In order to alleviate the tiredness during shifts and decrease possibilities of malpractice, a recommendation was made for shorter hours of work to be contemplated, considered, and implemented. The union is also proposing night premium and transportation. Nurses on night shifts should be paid night premium rates equivalent to time and 1/4 of hours work. Transportation should also be provided for nurses who are required to go to work or come off from duty at very late hours. The GPSU is also calling for upliftment in working environments, continuous education and training, among others.